guys, today we're gonna see how does HTML work and how can we make apps and websites very quickly. So first, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the language that a browser understands to generate web pages. So just like you and me, we understand English, other people might understand French and others might understand other languages. The browsers such as Mozilla or Google Chrome or Safari, they all understand this language that is HTML. So we're gonna use this language that is HTML to talk to our browsers and make them display tables, lists, paragraphs on the screen of the computer. So let's jump to my computer to show you how does it work.
First, you're gonna need an editor. An editor is the interface between us, human beings, and the computer. We're gonna write our code in the interface. This code will be human being readable, and as the computer cannot understand humans' language, the interface or the editor will translate to the computer what we human beings want as a result to be displayed on the screen, and then the computer will display it. For me, I use VS Code and it is a free editor that you can download, but there are so many other free editors that you can download for free too. Some run on Windows, some run on Mac, and some run on both. Here is a list of few editors. There is Notepad++. I used this editor a while ago and it runs on Windows only, I think. And there is Sublime Text that runs on Windows and Mac, JEdit that runs on Windows and Mac also, and Brackets that runs on Windows and Mac. Alright, once you have your favorite editor installed, we will start typing something like let's say for example, hello there, how are you doing? Let's say hello there, how are you doing? Okay, and let's display it on Google Chrome. So to display it, we need to save this file first, and to save it, we're gonna need to add a .html extension. Like we're gonna click on File and go here, Save As, like this, and I create the folder on my desktop. I called it HTML course, yeah, here. And then we're gonna give a name to our file, like for example, lesson 1. And then we have to end our title with extension.html. This extension.html is very important to show to the browser or to tell the browser that actually our file is an HTML file. So it's not any other language, but it's HTML. And then we're going to save it. So, okay. And then we're going to try to display it on Google Chrome. So I'm going to go to my file. So here it is, lesson 1. I'm going to right click, and then open with Google Chrome. Let's see what we got. So here it is. Hello there, how are you doing? You see, our text is displayed now on Google Chrome. If I want to open it with any other browser, I can. All I have to do is to come here and right click. So right click on my file, and then for example open it with, let's say, Internet Explorer. Let's say what we got. Here it is. So we have also our text here on Internet Explorer. So that seems good. All right. But let's say, for example, that we want to add, like, for example, another sentence, okay? And we want to like display some special characters. All right. So let's come back to our editor, okay? And let's add another sentence. Let's go back to the line and let's say, welcome to the first lesson of HTML. Okay, and I want to add, like, for example, a smiley. Okay, and let's say that I just want to add some special character, whatever. I mean, let's add this, and let's add this one, and let's add what's the ad, for example. Okay, so we're gonna save, and all we have to do now is to go back to Google Chrome, which is right here, and refresh and see. So we have welcome to the first lesson of HTML, and we have our special characters. But I think you might have noticed something here, is that in our editor we went back to the line, but here in the browser we have only one line. Everything is displayed in one line only, right? And let's go back to Internet Explorer. Okay, so here let's refresh like this and see, we have always the same problem, and that is everything is displayed in one line. And we have another problem, that is the special characters that we mentioned in our editor are different here. These are not the same characters that we displayed in our editors. Like, look here. Here we have displayed these, and what we got as a result is this. You see? So it is totally different. So in the next video, we're gonna learn how to fix this problem and what are the rules of HTML. But it's already a good beginning because we can display something on the browser. Okay? So if you like this video, give us a thumb up and see you in the next video.